Okay, so there is the question. We will get the question in 1 minute. Uh, all right, so here we are. This is the question here, and I will pull up the calculator over there. So beginning of every 6 months. So let's turn on the calculator. So second GMT, second, and I'm in the begin mode, top right corner. All right, every 6 months, it means that the payments are twice per year. So CY is 2. CY, it is compounded monthly. Here, the means CY is 12. Okay, so here, you can check, go down, CY is 2, CY is 12. Second, CPC, they're out of there. So this is for 5 years. This first part here is 5 years. 5, second, N, N, and it's N. All right. Now it's $1,000 and the interest rate is 5.75. So let's put in 5.75 for IY. Present value would be, I will put in 0 for the present value, making payment of $1,000 right here. So $1,000, right? You put it in as negative because you're making payment. Now we want to compute the future value. That is the future value, $7,748 and 47 cents. So after uh, um, or we could say future value is equal to 11,784.48. Now that will become the present value for the next set of calculations, right? So now deposit is $500 instead of 1,000. So let's put in the 500 now. Okay, we make it negative, and that's the payment, right? And now it will be after for it's not for 18 years, but it's what 18 minus 5. So 18 years minus 5 years is 13. Okay, so we take 13 and we go with second and n, right? And that's the value for n. Now we do have we can recall the present value, which was the previous number right here. So now we can go and we can compute the future. No, sorry. There's one other piece of information here. Now it's every quarter. All right. So every quarter means that there's been a change, right? The first one was every 6 months. So you have to make that change. Sorry, I have to go back and calculate the other value. This with this 13 years also for n. Okay, so let me do that, and I will. That will get fixed. Okay. Okay, so second IY, the payments now are every quarter, so that would be 4 times per year. For that, compounding is still monthly. Sorry, so we have to put in 12. Okay, so PY is 4, PY is 12. So we come out of there, and it's 13 years right here. So we put in 13, and we second, and n, so n is 52. Now we do have the present value because that was from the previous 5 years. Okay, and now the payment is now $500 as it is here. So now we can compute the future value, and that should be the answer. So future value after 18 years is equal to 14,142.05. Now this is rounded to two decimal places. Okay, now that should be your question. Hopefully everything is well now, and we can stop the video.